Esty here, and I welcome you all to a vlog day. So I painted all this. I just made a DIY home decor. These are from like the empty protein shake bottles, and these two are my snake plants. And I've also painted their pot into gold using gold spray paint. So I'm going to water it, guys. I usually use spray bottles like this so that, you know, they get so much of water is enough for them. I just spray it like this also. So finally I'm gonna get ready now. So I think I'm gonna skip that part for you guys because I've done so many makeup videos. I don't want to just bore you guys. So I'm actually all done, guys. So I'm going down. So see you there. Hey guys, I'm here inside organic store, and this is an organic soap. It smells really good actually, and you won't believe, guys, like, you know, they are 100% organic and they are vegan products, and the smell is really good. So they even have like some foundations here. They are full coverage foundations, and it's 100% pure. That is the name of the product. It's too good. Look at this lip gloss, guys. This is actually a lip gloss, and you can also use this as your on your cheek, and this is 100% organic. So I am like super hungry now, guys, so I'm in the food court area. They are preparing my food here in the food court. So I'm super hungry now, guys. I'll catch you after having my lunch. So I had my lunch, guys, and now I am inside the gaming center. So let's have a look. There are like so many games in here, guys. So maybe I'll try something. This Pink Panther. Look at ice cream machine. They are making organic ice cream for me. It is vanilla ice cream with some crackers in it. The milk is coming from California. It's exactly like milk, and it's very tasty. So just look at how they are making this ice cream, guys. So much smoke is coming out of it. What is that smoke or the ice? Liquid nitrogen. Ah, it's liquid nitrogen, guys. It's tastiest ice cream ever, guys. It's totally organic, and the milk, you can get the milk flavor. Just have a look at the store, guys. Oh, you can see these dresses are really awesome. Look at this dress. Actually, it is blue color, and it is with outfit, and this is for a wedding guest dress, and it looks so elegant. I'm super inspired by this dress. And, there is again a red color. of the same outfit. The blue is here and the red is here. It looks so cute. There's so many collections. And look at this purple one here. Purple is always my favorite color. These mannequins have been dressed up so prettily. It reminds me of a wedding scene here. Just look at this dress. It's so cute. The stones and everything. It's so glittery. And you can also wear this for your wedding if you're planning to get married. Now I'm here in the art center, and there are so many nice artworks here. So I really love this place. I want you guys also to have a look at this place. And I also love the interiors of this place. Just have a look at this art, this painting, and they're so realistic actually, guys. Something I really like is this painting here. They're so cute, and whenever I come to this place, it makes my mind so refreshing. Even though I don't have anything to buy, I just come here and have a look, so that it's nice. And at times I get even paint brushes or paint boxes from here. So just look at this painting, guys. There's nothing here, but it's so cute. It adds some sort of pop and thing to this. There are so many colors in this painting, and wow, just have a look at this, guys. This is a desert. So I am heading back to home now. After going home, I'm gonna have some coffee because I am getting sleepy. So I'm taking a bridge to my house now. So I'll catch you guys after reaching my home. So I finally reached home, guys. Home is the best place to be in. I'm so tired. I'm very thirsty actually. So after this, I'm gonna just remove my makeup and then wear my pajamas on, and I'll have some coffee, or I have that ice cream which I brought there. I didn't have it yet, so I'm gonna eat that ice cream.